Acquire grammar. In this lesson, we are going to have a look at some different uses for have to and must. Have to and must can be used for obligations. For example, you have to show your passport when you travel to another country. Police officers must wear a uniform. Have to and must can also be used for a strong recommendation. For example, when you go to Cairo, you have to see the pyramids. You must try the pizza at this restaurant. It's really good. Have to and must are similar. They can both be used in most situations. Have to is usually used more for external obligations like a rule or a law. For example, you have to be 21 to drink alcohol in the United States. Must is usually used more for personal obligations. For example, Claire's computer is broken. She must buy a new one. Don't have to is used when there is no obligation. For example, you don't have to pay to visit this park. It's free. Mustn't is used when something is prohibited. For example, you mustn't smoke when you're on an airplane. Don't have to and mustn't have a very different meaning. Compare these two examples. You don't have to bring hand luggage on a plane. You mustn't bring prohibited items on a plane. We can use can and not allowed to instead of must not. For example, you mustn't bring food and drinks to the swimming pool. You can't bring food and drinks to the swimming pool. You are not allowed to bring food and drinks to the swimming pool. Now you try. Which one is the correct answer? A. You must bring dangerous weapons on an airplane. B. You mustn't bring dangerous weapons on an airplane. C. You don't have to bring dangerous weapons on an airplane. And the answer is B. You mustn't bring dangerous weapons on an airplane. Which one is the correct answer? A. This museum is free, so you don't have to pay. B. This museum is free, so you are not allowed to pay. C. This museum is free, so you mustn't pay. And the answer is A. This museum is free, so you don't have to pay. Give it a go. Try making a sentence with have to, don't have to, must, or mustn't, and leave it in the comments below. If you like our videos, please share them with a friend. We'd really appreciate it. For more videos, please check out our Facebook page. And don't forget to like and follow it. Thank you.